It's Lyndon again, Director of Studies of Salt Idiomes, and welcome to the last section of our 5-minute tips to help pass the first for the reading and the use of English. Okay, we've now arrived to part 7, which is the last one. Now, although it's the last section in the exam, this is the one I recommend doing first. Okay, on the day you do your official exam, go straight to part 7. The reason being is normally this section is quite easy. You don't have to spend a lot of time doing it. Okay, it's the reading section and you have 10 questions, okay, so there's a possible 10 answers. Now, although the readings, the previous parts of the test are worth 2 points, these are worth 1 point, okay, because they're not too difficult in theory. So, let's have a look at how we go about doing this section. What you have here is it says, which person, okay, which person achieved more than she hoped to. So, this is the information that we have to locate in some of these sections, okay. Sometimes there are 4, sometimes 5, sometimes even more, okay. So, now what I would do is read these first, okay. So which person achieved more than she hoped to? Now, what I would do is look for the key words. Okay, achieved more than she hoped to. Achieved, okay. Think of synonyms of achieved, because probably the word achieved is not going to appear in any of these sections. A synonym will, yes. Okay, so what you have to do is identify exactly what these mean. Okay, achieved more than she hoped to. So, who did more? Okay, try to appear busier than she really was. Okay, who tried to appear? Who tried to look busier? So, think of the synonyms. You can even write the synonyms down on the paper. Who tried to appear busier? Simplify them. Who wanted to look busier? Etc., etc., etc. Now, once you've read these, really understood them, then you know exactly what you're looking for in each text. So, go to A. Read the text thoroughly. Don't read all the text. There's no point. Now, what you do is you read the text, okay? You will have fresh in your mind these phrases, so you will know exactly what to look for. So, if you've made a synonym of, let's say, achieved, and the word appears here, who got, who accomplished, then you write in A. Okay, so you go down the page, and then once you've found achieved more, underline it, okay? Underline so you can check if it's exactly the same. Now, there could be similar sentences in each text, but identify exactly what it is, okay? And then go down, complete with A. Once you're happy that you found, let's say, 2 or 3 sentences, move on to B. Again, quickly reread the sentences here, just to have a good idea. Think of the synonyms. Read B. Go through it again very, very carefully. Read the sentences, look for the synonyms, complete with B. The same with C. Now, the idea being that when you've read A, B, and C, you will be left with 2 or 3 gaps, which, hopefully, they will be in D. Okay, again, read D, find the information, mark the information, make sure it corresponds with exactly the same sentence, look for the synonyms, look for the different meanings, and then you should have it all complete. Give it another read. Now, because you will have underlined the information, you won't have to read the text again, just go directly to the information. If you're between answers, if you think this one is similar, then you should have 2 sentences underlined, compare them, which is the most similar to this one, okay? So, timing, I would spend, let's say, around 10 minutes on this one. This one you can do very well. Normally, students get full points on this one because it's the first one you do. You'll be thinking very clearly, okay? It's not that difficult in theory. So, read it carefully, find the corresponding information, more or less 10 minutes, and then move on to part 1. Okay, that's everything. Hope you've enjoyed all the videos. I hope it helps, and good luck in your exam.